Hey guys, so it's Saturday, April 18th, and I've already been out this morning because I got a nibble on a project yesterday, and that was we set off to pick up the project, and I'm going to show you, because we don't have a culture of asking for can I video this and all that here in Norway yet. I'm hoping it's gonna get better. It could be fun making a whole video of getting things, and which I think is real fun. And so I got a project. I also, on a side note, I finally got some parts for the rototiller project, so I'm gonna have to get working on that real soon. Anyways, so here it is. It's an MTD Lawntractor. It's ratty. You can see it's got a lot of green, and the wheel is busted off, but that's fixable. And it's missing the front lens there. But I've tested the trans. It works fine. The mower deck doesn't seem to... Well, that's worrying. I can't seem to turn the... Well, there is some movement, so hopefully it's just locked. It's a 14.5 horse overhead valve, so it's gonna be fun. If I'm not able to get it running, or if I can flip it just now and make about $100, I guess, 1,000 Norwegian kroners. Doesn't smell bad, it actually smells real good. Petrol. It's empty. Oh, the oil smells like petrol. So that could be a problem, but it's probably just been sitting there seeping into the engine and into the oil. So here is my latest acquisition. Got it for free, and I'm gonna get it started. See if I can get it spinning. If I can get it spinning, I'm gonna dump the oil and refill it. And sorry about the car noises. We have a lot of traffic, even in this Corona stage. We have a lot of traffic down on the road there. Oh. So stay tuned, guys. Let's see what we can get going with this one.